So C60 Power is easy to take and helps with energy, with focus, with feeling good throughout the day. I was experiencing a little bit more maybe fatigue or tiredness throughout the day, a little bit more sluggishness, and like everyone, kind of tired at the end of the day. And so that's what made me curious about it. I'm kind of always experimenting with lots of different things, so I'm kind of willing to try anything. And actually, it was recommended to me by one of my doctors. I trust him a lot, and he really likes it. And so, I was willing to go for it. So I do a teaspoon of the avocado C60 Power a day. Yeah, with C60 Power, I really noticed a difference in energy levels throughout the day, as well as mental clarity, ability to focus, feeling more energized at the end of the day, right? Even after kind of a full day of work. So I think it's a really easy supplement to take, just a spoonful, and it can be mixed in a lot of different things, right? Like I often mix it in my smoothies. So it's super easy to take. You have a bunch of choices. I do the avocado oil, but folks that like olive oil, coconut oil, you can do those as well. And then it really helps with energy. It helps with focus. I think it's acting on a kind of a deeper level in the body and is recommended by a lot of health practitioners. So I think it's a great supplement. My name is Jeff, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.